welcome to your science class. Today we're going to talk about natural and man-made things. What does that mean? What is the meaning of natural things? What do you think of when you think about natural things? What about if you're going on a vacation and you're going to the beach, for example? Do you think that the ocean is natural or man-made? What do you think? Is an ocean natural? The difference is huge. Natural things are natural. And what's the meaning of that? Well, we're going to figure out more about that in a video that I want to show you. And then we are going to do a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm going to show you a video and a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to give you some more information about the new things, okay? So let's begin with the video. And at the end of this video, we are going to do an activity, okay? Ready? Let's go.
The world around us. All the things present in the world are natural or man-made, living or non-living. Natural things. We see beautiful lakes, mountains, forests, animals, and birds around us. They are all naturally present in the world. The things that naturally exist in this world are called natural things. All living things are natural things. Even some of the non-living things like sunlight, air, water, soil, sand, and rocks are natural things. Man-made things. The things which are made by man are called man-made things. Chair, jute bag, table, sweater are few examples of man-made things. Preserving the natural things. Man makes things using the natural things. The book that we read is made from paper. Paper is made from the pulp of trees. The book is man-made, whereas the pulp of trees is a natural thing. We cut down trees to build houses and factories. We kill animals like tigers and leopards for their skin and bones, and the elephants for their tusks. We depend on plants for our food. They also purify the air we breathe.
Okay, so now you have seen a little bit the difference between natural and man-made things. So what about the chair that you're sitting on, for example? Would it be a natural thing or would it be a man-made thing? What do you think? And what if the chair is made of wood? Is it a natural thing or is it a man-made thing? What do you think? If the chair is made out of wood, wood comes from the tree. But is it a natural thing or is it man-made? What is the difference? Does the chair, can you find like a chair growing, for example? No. Is a tree growing? Yes. So is the tree natural or man-made? It's natural. And what about the chair? Even though it's made out of wood, it is man-made because it's made by human, right? Someone made the chair. Okay, so I'm going to open the PowerPoint presentation that I found. I think it's very interesting. And the PowerPoint is about the same subject, so we're going to learn a little bit more about it. There it is. It's called Man-Made and Natural Materials. Natural materials. So what are natural materials? What is it exactly? These are materials that are naturally found around us. We may have to dig them out of the ground, grow them, or take them from living things. Remember, all natural things are living things. What about wood? Wood isn't chemically processed, so it is natural. Wood comes from stems and roots of trees and other woody plants. This is coal. It's a natural material. This is cotton, which is soft and fluffy, and it grows around the seed of the cotton plant. So is it natural or is it man-made? It's natural. Very good. And what about gold? Gold is a metal found as nuggets in rocks, and it is a natural material. And iron is also a metal. So there is lots and lots of iron on Earth. So it is a natural material because it is not chemically processed. Therefore, it is a natural material. Leather comes from animals, so it is natural. So there are lots of things that we are not going to talk about now, but we're going to talk about man-made materials. Can you think of some material that is man-made? What about in your room, for example? Can you see something that is man-made? We've already talked about the chair. But what about the table or the carpet or the television? Those are all man-made materials. So let's see what else. Man-made materials are natural materials that are changed through the chemical process by man or human, right? Like concrete. Concrete is a mixture of water, rock, sand, and cement, which is a chemical reaction. So it is processed. That's why it is man-made material. Glass is also a man-made material. Nylon as well. And paper, it comes from wood, but it is chemically processed. So it is man-made. Rubber as well. Steel. Plastic. And here is a list of all the things. Now we are going to do a sorting activity. So here are some materials. And you need to tell me, is it natural or is it man-made? So what about ice? Is ice a natural material or is it chemically processed? Do we need to do something with it to process it to make ice, for example? No, ice is a natural material. Very good. What about paint? Is paint a natural material or is it man-made? Do we need to do something chemical with some materials to make paint? Yes, we do. So it is man-made. Very good. What about sand? Is sand a natural material or is it man-made? What do you think? Is sand natural? It is. Very good. And what about plastic? Is plastic natural? Is plastic a living thing, for example? No. Do we need to process some materials to make plastic? We do. So it is man-made. Okay, so I hope that you understand a little bit more about this subject. We are going to do a little science experiment at the end of the science class. So you can do the activity now, and then we will see each other again during the science experiment. So hope you are ready, and I hope you are excited, because I am. I'll see you there.